Hey yo, as a human being, all of us are going to make mistakes. The best thing you can do is to analyze that situation, find out what you did wrong, and find out what you could do the next time to make things right. So once you make a mistake, go one side and think about it and think what you did wrong and what you can do to not make that mistake again. Listen to this video.
What is a mistake? Everybody will do something which will go wrong, no matter in which type of field. But after it went wrong the first time, the question is, how are you going to continue? You are observing the situation. Why did you make it wrong? What was the mistake? If you are confronted the second time and you make it wrong again, so apparently you didn't learn something. Making something wrong the first time is not a mistake. It is your chance to correct it. But making the same situation over and over, wrong again and wrong again because you're of the unwillingness to learn something from it, that is the mistake.
So that is the mistake. You are unwilling to learn from your mistake. You have to always try to learn from your mistake to improve, to not make the mistake again. You know what I mean? Let's go.